all you beautiful people? It's your girl Asia, the MUA, back with another video. I'm not gonna do the usual intro because I want to keep this video super short, super sweet, but also, hey A-lister, how you doing? I couldn't help it. Okay, I'm unboxing this ring light that was sent to me from an Amazon dealer. I'll leave everything linked below in the description. It's super cool. It comes with all these little gadgets and attachments. This is my favorite one because it clips right onto the bar. It's so easy. And it holds my phone like a freaking vice grip, okay? I knocked this thing over and I thought my phone was gonna fall out of this holder and it did not, okay? It also comes with a little remote, so I think this one is designed for like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and stuff like that. The tripod though, talk about solid. This material, whatever metal they used, it feels like I could run this thing over with my car and it wouldn't break. Don't run it over with your car, but I'm just saying. So it extends to be 63 inches, I believe. I don't know how many inches tall I am, but I'm 5'10", and that's like 60 something inches. This thing is tall. Look at how excited I am. Okay, so here I'm showing the actual light. The way it's shaped just further lets me know that it's designed to hold a phone, because what I found out is while I could mount my camera onto this with one of the attachments, I can't use the light while I'm using my camera. But it attaches to the phone really, really easily. So I really think this is designed for all those TikTokers out there, but it's really, really good. I'm trying to figure out how to work everything out and how to get it attached, because it came with some screws and it took a little bit of assembly, and I'm not the assembly girl, so I had to really figure it out. So you screw the little pin in and that holds the light in place, and well, not the light, but the post that the light goes on, it holds that in place. And then you screw the light onto the post, if that makes any sense. Oh, hey Nails. But as you can see, once I got the actual light screwed on nice and tightly, everything was ready to go. So assembly literally takes minutes, even if you're not the assembly type of person, which I am not. Here you see me attaching the clip to the actual tripod, which was the easiest for me, and I really, really like the security that this clip gives me. I'm telling you, it was gripping my phone for dear life. So right here, I had it adjusted to like where the light would hit me directly in the face. But in a couple seconds, you'll see the tripod fully extended from top to bottom, and see how tall this thing really, really is. It was just, I was really blown away by the quality, the height, the value. This thing is only like $23, so it is definitely worth the coin. Like I said, I'm 5'10", and this is what the whole unit looks like put all the way together with the light and the clip. I am like shook, okay? So let's see how this thing works. Let's turn this light on and see what it's giving. Okay. Yes, mama. This is one of the settings. I think it has like 4 settings, and each setting has a dimmable mode, and it's just so fluid when it transitions from light to dark. I was just like, yes. This is gonna be like my favorite ring light to use for reels and TikToks and things like that. I think I would even use this when I'm filming, because the light is really bright, it's really strong, and it gives a beautiful, beautiful glow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, I will leave this item linked below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay beautiful.